Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. Today I'll show you how to add a Gmail email address to your Facebook account. Let's get started. To add a Gmail to Facebook, start by opening the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone. Then select the menu button in the bottom right corner. Next, select the gear icon in the top right to open up the settings. In the settings, select See More in the Account Center. Now scroll down and under Account Settings, select Personal Details, and then Contact Info. To add a Gmail address, select Add New Contact, then Add Email. Type in the email address you want to add, and select the account you want to add it to. If you have multiple accounts, choose the appropriate one. Next, select Next. Facebook will send a confirmation code to the Gmail address. Enter the code and select Next. Once done, select Close, and you'll see the Gmail address added to your Facebook account. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.